Welcome to Outgrow. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to create the Your Perfect SaaS Plan Quiz, a powerful tool that helps your users quickly discover the subscription plan that fits their business needs. Step 1. Choose your quiz type. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and select Outcome Quiz as your content type. This is perfect for guiding users to the ideal SaaS plan based on their preferences and requirements. Step 2. Pick your template. Next, pick a clean, business-focused template. You can choose the Find Your Perfect SaaS Plan quiz and use a layout that matches your brand style while giving users a clear, professional experience. Step 3. Customize the design. Head to the Layout and Design tabs to make it yours. Upload your logo, update colors and fonts colors to match your brand. Add illustrations or icons related to SaaS or software. Keep it simple, professional, and user-friendly. Step 4. Add your quiz questions. Now add questions that help users find their ideal SaaS plan. Use a mix of multiple choice, single select, and sliders to make it interactive. Example questions. What best describes your business stage? How many team members will be using the platform? What's your primary goal with this SaaS tool? And so on. These questions shape the final plan recommendation. Step 5. Set up outcomes. Create 3 to 4 plan outcomes, like Starter Plan, perfect for small teams. Growth Plan, ideal for expanding teams. Pro Plan, full-featured for scaling businesses. Enterprise Plan, advanced features and priority support. Step 6. Preview and test. Once you're done, preview your design on desktop, tablet, and mobile mode. Step 7. Go live. Once you're happy, hit Go live. Embed the quiz on your website. Share the quiz link in emails or social media. Your SaaS plan selector is now ready to help users find the perfect plan while capturing qualified leads. No coding required.